Hi everyone. Today I will solve some problems about magnetic field of a current carrying loop. First example from your book, page number 254 and 10 questions. Okay, we have two circular loop and this is center of the loop. First circular radius is r, second is 2r, and for first loop current is I, for second it is also 2I, and they are moving same direction. Then if for I, for first current, magnetic field is B, what is the resultant magnetic field for both loop? Let's solve. For first loop, for magnetic field symbol B formula and nu 0 I over 2R, and we know nu 0 is constant for P times 10 to the power minus 7, and current is I over 2, and for first circular loop radius is R. Okay, continue. When I put into for P it is 3, my results is 12 times 10 to the power minus 7 I over 2R, and results 2 and 12 simplified and just 6 stayed, and my results 6 times 10 to the power minus 7 I over R, and results is B. Okay, how can we find direction of the magnetic field? My tip fingers show the direction of the current. My thumb finger show the out to page. Out to page symbol is this one. Okay, for second loop, this is B1, this is B2. I have to use same formula, nu 0 I over 2R, and nu 0 is constant for P times 10 to the power minus 7, and current is 2I over 2 multiplying, and for second circular loop radius also 2R. Okay, if I write instead the P it is 3, my results 12 times 10 to the minus 7 multiplying 2I over and 4R. Okay, 12 and 4 simplified and just 3 stayed. After calculate, B2 is equal 6 times 10 to the power minus 7 I over R. Okay, when I check B1, 6 times 10 to the minus 7 I over R is B. This is also same results. It is also B. And when I check direction, I for first loop and for second loop current are moving same direction. My thumb finger show the out the page and symbol is this one. If they are moving same direction, if I ask find the resultant for net magnetic field, we have to add with each other B1 plus B2, and B1 is how much? It is B, and second is also B. My results is 2B with the terms. Next example, I have two circular loop. This is center of the circle. First radius 1 meter, second radius also 2 meters. And direction of current, first is I1, it is 10 ampere. For second loop, direction is moving oppositely. I2 is equal 20 ampere. And P is 3, nu 0, 4P times 10 to the power minus 7. And I am asking for both circular loop, resultant magnetic field is how much? Okay, I'm starting from first B1, small circular loop, and our formula nu 0 I over 2R, and nu 0 we know, and it is 4P times 10 to the minus 7, and current is 10 ampere over 2 multiplying. First circular loop radius is 1 meter, and if I write instead the P, it is 3, and my result is it is 12 times 10 to the minus 7 and 10 over 2, and it will be 2 and 12 simplified and just 6 state. My result 6 times 10 to the minus 6 Tesla, and my direction out the page, because my thumb finger showed the out the page, direction is like this. And B2 for circular, second circular loop, I have to use same formula, nu 0 I over 2R, and shortly I will write 12 times 10 to the minus 7, this is nu 0, and I2 20 ampere over 2 times, and for second circular loop radius is 2 meters. Continue. 12 and 4, just it is 3 states, and my result 6 times 10 to the minus 6 Tesla. My direction, my tips finger showed the direction of the second current, but my thumb finger showed into the page. Into the page, direction is like this. If I ask find the resultant magnetic field, when I check B1 and B2 oppositely and same result, I have to write B1 minus B2, and 6 times 10 to the minus 6 minus, and 6 times 10 to the power minus 6, my results is 0. Next example, I have 3 circular loop, and for one radius 1 meter, 1 meter and 1 meter, and first current direction is 5 ampere, second is also same direction 10 ampere, but I3 is equal 15 ampere opposite direction, and find the resultant magnetic field for all circular loop. Okay, I'm starting B1. Our formula is same, nu 0 I over 2R. Nu 0 is constant, 12 times 10 to the power minus 7. For first circular loop, my current is 5 ampere over 2 multiplying, and radius for first loop radius is 1 meter, and my results after calculate, it is 30 times 10 to the minus 7, and my direction into the page. B2, it's same, nu 0 I over 2R, and 12 times 10 to the minus 7. My second circular loop current is 10 ampere over, and 2 times, and for second circular loop radius is 2 meters, and after this when I calculate 12 and 4 simplified just restate, my results 30 times 10 to the minus 7, and my direction is also into the page. B3, nu 0 I over 2 r, same formula, and again 12 times 10 to the minus 7, and my current for third circular loop 15 over 2 times, and radius is 3 meters, and after calculate my results 30 times 10 to the minus 7, but direction is out to page. Okay, now B1 and B2 same direction, but B3 is opposite direction. For resultant magnetic field, B1 plus B2 minus B3, and B1 it is 30 times 10 to the minus 7 plus second it is also 30 times 10 to the minus 7 minus 30 times 10 to the minus 7, this one and this one simplify, and net resultant magnetic field 30 times 10 to the minus 7 Tesla, and direction is into the page. For today, that's all.